The US continues to be the top choice for Indian students. The UK sees an increase. Every year, the United States takes in the most Indian students. Successive graduates can apply for the graduate route visa, which gives them career choices after school. With 86,895 first-year students, China continues to be the leading country in higher education in the UK. With 18,305 pupils, India is the second best performing country. The UK is expected to require 8 lakh skilled employees after Brexit to fill the void created by EU citizens who moved away. However, the number of Indian students enrolling in foreign universities continues to climb despite concerns that COVID would negatively influence the number of Indian students studying abroad. A new poll shows that the number of Indian students enrolling in UK colleges has increased dramatically in recent years. At the same time, the United States continues to receive the vast majority of Indian student applications from other countries. While the UK, with some of the world's best universities like Cambridge and Oxford, has long been a popular study destination for Indians, the US now registers the most significant number of Indian students each year. According to NUI School Connect survey, this has ranked the United Kingdom as the third greatest study abroad destination worldwide. However, the new graduate route visa is likely to drive even higher growth rates. With the graduate route visa, successful graduates can gain post-study employment experience. The report on the costs and benefits of international higher education students to the UK economy, published by the Higher Education Policy Institute (HEPI) and Universities UK International (UKI), finds that China remains the dominant nation with 86,895 first-year students entering UK higher education in 2018-19, with India coming in second with 18,305 students. Bringing in new international students costs the UK economy £28.8 billion a year. Indian students are a significant portion of that total. The introduction of the 2-year post-study work visa has helped the UK's economy soar. After Brexit, the UK will require 8 lakh talented people to fill the void created by EU citizens who moved away. With a points-based immigration system also in the works, the UK has often demonstrated how policymakers have a soft spot for newcomers. However, this does not imply that the United States will lose its position as the top study destination for Indians. During the pandemic, the United States has undergone a significant political shift. The new Biden-Harris government is pro-immigration, which is welcome news. By the time he's through his first term, Biden will be striving to make the United States a more inviting place for newcomers. There will be a significant increase of Indian students studying in the United States after the borders are entirely opened in 2022. According to Akshay Chaturvedi, CEO and founder of Leverage Edu, a worldwide university admissions platform based in New Delhi with headquarters in London, I think 2022 will be the perfect storm for the higher education space. This year's COVID-affected admissions will include developing applications from the UK, US, and Canada, as the 3 major destinations strive to attract them as well. According to Chaturvedi, it will also be the first year since the epidemic that all 3 major destinations will be open to students. We don't anticipate Australia opening up right now, which provides us time to establish the essentials for the supply countries today while focusing on the main 3. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to us.